Oh, I really don't know what I'm doing here. Alright y'all, welcome back to another video. We just learned kick step in the last video. We're just gonna get right into it here, learning something called Apache, also known as Indian step. I've heard it being called both names. I kind of like Apache a little better than the other name. Let's just get right into it. No need to discuss the history of names or whatever. Like I said, this is a variation on the kick step. A little bit weird because instead of opening out for the step, we're actually being closed off a little bit. So this is what it looks like, okay? Kind of like cross step, but not really. It's a little bit more than that. So just like the kick step, first we're gonna kick, then we're gonna put the foot down. You can actually kind of lean forward into this move. So we kick, down, and we're gonna go all the way around for our third step, okay? Again, so kick, step, step. So we're going all the way around, just like that, okay? You don't have to put the foot can naturally here do whatever it wants, just as long as it's on the ground. I usually have it on my toes, and then back, okay? And then from here, we're actually gonna lift up the leg for our next kick, just like a kick step, right? We didn't come back to the center and plant the foot on the ground. We came back to the center with our leg up. Same thing here. So we kick down all the way around and back to center. From here, that's where the next kick comes. Okay? So let's just start with that one sequence. Okay? So you go kick, down, all the way around and up, kick. Okay? Let's try it again. Kick, down, all the way around, up, kick with that foot. Okay? And from the kick, you're just going to be repeating the process. So let's go slow. Kick, down, all the way around, up, kick, down, all the way around, up, kick, down, all the way around, and up. One more time. Down, all the way around, and up. Just like that. This is a little bit more of a complex move. It can look confusing, it may feel confusing. Don't worry, we're just gonna take it slow. Take your own time with it, please. This is something that doesn't come naturally. Okay, so, like I said, very complex move, but easy to break down, and that way you'll be able to get it faster. So, let's just keep going and doing it slow. So we go kick, down, around, up, kick, down, round, up. It may seem confusing on this whole turning aspect of Apache, where your hips are actually covering a lot of distance, right? It might feel like a lot, and that's totally fine, totally normal. Basically here, you wanna be able to get comfortable twisting the hips and coming straight back while lifting this leg. So it's all about this motion here that will set you on the right path to becoming faster with it. But yeah, with this move, I would advise you to really take it slow, sort of just walk through the steps. It might help having multiple angles of this move. And of course, I'm gonna be having videos in the video description box with all that information. Hopefully, you'll be on the path to doing a very smooth Apache. With all these subsequent top rock variations that I'll be showing you throughout the series, throughout the whole semester really, it's really more about the variations of how the feet are gonna move. That's just natural when you're playing around with top rock. Always remember to incorporate your upper body, head, shoulders, your hips, of course learning the technique, but also making it your own. That's just as important. I think that's it for Apache. If you have any questions, of course, comment down below. I'll be able to get back to you through there. That's just gonna be the easiest way. Keep practicing, stay healthy, and I'll see you on the next video. I'm out.